propane burning in air with oxygen on this heater unit, 15,000 BTU. This plasma arc, high voltage arc lighter, is how I ignite the propane. So here I turn the valve to open the propane, then activate the controller or gas regulator, then press that, and then it allows propane to flow. The plasma lights it. Plasma is very high temperature. It provides the activation energy to start the reaction between propane and oxygen. This is the unit warming up. Now, the inside of our house was getting cold, so we were burning this in 5-minute bursts. Now we'll see it being lit again. Okay, we were burning it in 5-minute bursts because we don't want to have carbon monoxide poisoning from burning it in excess. So Meg and I would sit in front of this inside, and it's attached to a 4.5 gallon propane tank, or a 20-pound propane tank, and we would just sit and soak up the IR, or the infrared emissions mostly, because a lot of the thermal gas heat rises. So we would just, for pleasure, we would sit in front of this for 5 or 6 minutes and warm up, and then put on heavier clothing to stay warm. I also figured out how to throttle it like this. See, this is running at a very low rate, and you can do that by tightening the valve on the propane tank very carefully to not cut off the propane, but to reduce the flow rate. And this is cooling it off. So when you turn it off, all that heat heats up those metals to that glowing red hot temperature, so they act like an energy converter. The hot metal glowing converts some of the chemical reaction energy of the combusting propane and air to long-range IR emissions, which heat soak anything in the path of that light, that orange light coming out of the front, like this.